Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nails by Riss here, and I'm going to be showing you how I turn my 3-week-old grown out acrylic nails into a new shape and a new looking set. I started off by cutting down to a shorter length and then filing off all of the gel polish. Then I pushed back the cuticles and filed them with my electric file. Then I cleaned them and put on a coat of dehydrator and a coat of primer. Here you can see I'm going in with a small acrylic bead and putting it close to the cuticle area and pulling it down to make it nice and smooth, filling in that area. After the acrylic was done hardening, I filed the free edge and the side walls, and then I filed over the tops of my nails off camera. Now I'm going in with my gel polish, starting with my bright pink color. I originally skipped over my ring finger because I thought I was going to do a different design on it, but I ended up going back and painting it with the pink gel polish and then adding in a little special flair afterwards. I'm going in with another coat of the pink gel polish to make sure that it is nice and solid. Now I'm going in with my top coat on all of my nails except for my ring finger. We want to leave the ring finger sticky with the pink gel on top of it in order to do the next step. After wiping off the other 4 nails, I'm going in on my ring finger with a old makeup brush and some glitter, and I'm just tapping it into the surface, trying to get it to stick to that sticky adhesive layer on the gel polish. Once I am happy with the design, I take a different brush and I just wipe away any excess before putting on a top coat of gel polish. I went ahead and added on a second layer of top coat so that way it was nice and smooth. This is the final look of how it turned out. I call these my Barbie pink nails. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.